loves, welcome back to another self-care skincare morning routine video. I love doing these videos, you guys, because I have so much stuff to tell you as far as my skin. Now I just want to start off by saying my skin is not perfect, you guys, and if you've been following me for a while now, I definitely show you guys my skin, good or bad, when it's looking like glass and then when it's looking not like glass. So I did get a facial, and I was gonna film the facial, but I wanted to relax, and I felt like my skin was going through so much this past month, and I just really wanted to talk to the esthetician and just figure out what was going on. And I figured out what was going on, you guys. So my skin started breaking out about a month ago, really bad, and I started taking these new supplements, and they were biotin supplements. So I would recommend, if you are thinking about taking biotin, please think twice about it, because it will make you break out. So I'm no longer using those, but yeah, you guys, so you guys pretty much know what type of cleanser I use. I use the Urban Skin RX cleanser. And now I'm just going in with my acne serum, which is 5% benzoyl peroxide. And I was told to use this on my face for 15 minutes for 1 to 3 days. So this is what I will be doing for the time being, until my skin builds up a tolerance for it. So yeah, for the first 1 to 3 days, I will be using this for 15 minutes and letting it sit on my face. And then after that 15 minutes, you guys, what I will be doing is going back over my face again with my cleanser. But right now I'm just putting my Aquaphor on my lips. My lips get really dry, you guys. Really dry every time I get done washing my face. But yeah, you guys, now I am going over my face again with my cleanser. This is the Gentle Gel Cleanser. I was definitely recommended to use this, and I also have been looking at a black dermatologist on YouTube, and she also recommends using Gentle Gel Cleansers, especially if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin like I do. So I was going to use my hands, you guys, but I just really didn't feel like it, especially since I just got a facial too. So I just wanted to use my other products that I use, because I don't just use one thing. I use my hands sometimes, I use my face machine, and sometimes I use gloves. So it all depends. But I'm just going over my face now with my Clean Skin towelettes, which are disposable. I did wet this one just so that I can get my face ready to put on my Ordinary Hydrant Serum. And this is just a regular hydrant serum for my face. I love this stuff. I am addicted to the Ordinary's products. I am fairly new to using the products, but so far their products are great, you guys. So normally every night, which I will be switching on my routine a little bit with the hydrant, because I'm going to be using other serums, not just this one, but I'm using the Ordinary serum and then also the Ordinary moisturizing face lotion, basically. So I use this all the time. This is my holy grail. I love this face moisturizer. It works so good, especially over the serum. The hydrant serum works so good. So this is the next morning, you guys. I usually need a minute when I wake up, but now I'm doing the same routine. This is, again, the Gentle Gel Cleanser by Urban Skin RX. I don't think I'm ever going to stop using this stuff, you guys. It works really good on my face, and it evens out my skin tone, gets rid of dark spots, and basically keeps away acne as well. I was going to switch it up, you guys, believe it or not, and switch it up with salicylic cleanser, but I was recommended to just stick to my gel cleanser. So I'm just going to not do too much and stick to what I know, because every time I start being extra, something extra happens. So I'm no longer going to do that anymore. If I want to add different serums, that's cool, like different things for like spot treatments and stuff like that, I'll do that, but my cleanser is going to stay the same. So again, I'm just going in again with my Clean Skin towelette. I already wet it. And I'm just making sure that my skin is just a little wet because I like for my skin to feel really, really moisturized before I add another serum too. And this is the Ready Glow Serum by Urban Skin RX as well. And it has salicylic acid in it. And salicylic acid is really good for your pores, and also it's good for acne prone skin. So this is something that I've always had in my skincare routine but stopped using for a little bit. But now I'm incorporating it back into my skincare routine. So just a note, you guys, just stick to what you know, because you don't always need to switch everything up, especially your main products. Don't switch them up too much. But with this, I just added on the Ordinary moisturizer. I didn't use my hydrant serum. And that's basically it for the morning routine. Just a little bit more simpler for the morning. And now, you guys, I'm just getting ready to start my day. I'm vacuuming, making sure the room is clean. I rarely have to clean my room. I'm such a neat, tidy person, so I rarely need to clean up. But my carpet gets crummy, so out of nowhere. So I'm just doing my room, my living room, making sure everything's clean. Again, my living room and my room and stuff, it doesn't really get dirty. It just gets crummy, which I don't know how that happens either, but it is what it is. So I'm just fixing up my couch. Again, my couch really doesn't, unless I'm sitting on it or laying on my pillows, it gets just a little disorganized. But other than that, yeah, this is what I do when I'm cleaning up. I do spray my air freshener. I believe this is Febreze. I love Febreze. It smells so good, you guys. And it's the Fresh Linen scent. Last but not least, you guys, these are the vitamin supplements that I will be taking for the day. I do have a couple of more, but these are the ones that I'm just taking for right now. But this will be the end of this self-care video, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.